Welcome back. In previous lecture, we were studying about the half cell and how represented. In that topic, we have represented half cell, oxidation half cell by Zn by Zn plus 2 and reduction half cell by Cu plus 2 by Cu. That was our topic. Now, in this session, we are going to check up the entire means the total full cell representation of a cell. Okay, it is also very interesting. Now you can see here very simply what you can see this thing here. We have zinc electrode and zinc electrode is submerged into the ZnSO4 solution. That is our knowledge. Okay, this is the electrode and this electrode is immersed into the ZnSO4 solution. So this was represented as Zn by Zn plus 2. ઓકે એમ આઈ રાઈટ? ખબર પડી? ગયા લેક્ચરની અંદર આપણે હાફ સેલ જોયું હતું અને આ ઓક્સિડેશન જીપનો હાફ સેલ આપણે Zn બાય Zn પ્લસ થી રિપ્રેઝેન્ટ કર્યો હતો, જે અહીંયા આપણે લખ્યું જે એનોડ રિપ્રેઝેન્ટ. ઓકે, સેમ થિંગ નાઉ વી આર કન્સિડર ફોર ધ કેથોડ. કેથોડની અંદર સી ધ electrode આપણને આપ્યો છે કોપરનો. This copper electrode is immersed into the copper sulfate solution. That's all. Okay, એટલા માટે આપણે we can write here Cu by Cu plus 2. But it is reduction. That's why we have to write alter. And hence we have written this thing pattern Cu plus 2 by Cu. That is our knowledge. The beside figure containing two parts of half cell, okay, and they combine to be a cell. Zn is anode and represented by Zn by Zn plus 2. Cu is cathode and can be represented by Cu plus 2 by C. Now to combine both these, now you can see how they are combined. So dear students, see here, they are combined by this path. Now what is the name of this path? This is known as salt bridge. Look out this. This is known as salt bridge. Okay, so this given as salt bridge and we have to put some symbol of salt bridge. Okay, so the symbol of salt bridge is taken in this pattern. Two vertical line is the symbol of salt bridge. So hope that you understand this point. Two vertical line, that is the symbol for the salt bridge. So left side here we are writing ZnSO4 and Zn, and right side we are writing copper sulfate and copper, and in between we have to write two parallel symbol, and like this entire thing is possible. Check out this figure. Check out beside figure. I am showing you this in detail. Okay, see few minutes. See here, I am showing you. Come on, see here Zn SO4 solution, and it is working as anode, and as it is negative portion, anode is negative portion. સમજ પડે છે? આ બાજુ કોપર સલ્ફેટ છે અને કોપર સલ્ફેટ એ કેથોડ છે અને કેથોડ પોઝિટિવ પાર્ટ છે. વચ્ચે સોલ્ટ બ્રિજ છે અને સોલ્ટ બ્રિજ માટે આપણે સિમ્બોલ રાખ્યો છે પેરેલલ લાઈન. તો સિમ્પલી એક બાજુથી આપણે Zn અને Zn by 2 Zn by Zn plus 2 લઈ લઈએ, વચ્ચે પેરેલલ લાઈનનો સિમ્બોલ મૂકી દઈએ અને પછી પોઝિટિવ પોર્શન તરીકે આપણે cu પ્લસ ટુ cu ને મૂકી દઈએ એટલે આપણા પાસે ટોટલ સેલનો concept પતી જાય. So hope that you understand this point. Okay, so here very simple, and this is important, that's why I am showing you 2 or 3 times. Okay, this is very simple but important for your examination. Okay, so that we have studied in detail. So here Zn by Zn plus 2 as a anode, Cu plus 2 by Cu as a cathode, and in between the solid bridge will get the parallel line symbol, and therefore the entire symbol of the cell will be this. Zn by Zn plus 2 plus cell and Cu plus 2 by C. Okay, but see, more general it is written below, and what it means more general, so same thing is written, but the different mark is this. Different mark is, see this mark and see this mark. What is suggest? These 2 marks. Here it is actually symbol of minus, and here it is symbol of plus. Okay, in previous study when we were studying about the electrode, at that time we talk about that કે જે સોલ્યુશનમાં ઇલેક્ટ્રોડ મૂકવામાં આવે છે કોપર સલ્ફેટમાં કોપર અને ઝિંક સલ્ફેટમાં ઝિંક, તો જો સોલ્યુશન કરતા એ ઇલેક્ટ્રોડનો પોટેન્શિયલ ઓછો હોય તો નેગેટિવ લેવાનું અને વધારે હોય તો શું લેવાનું? પોઝિટિવ લેવાનું. સો ધેટ્સ વાય હિયર ઇટ શોઝ ધેટ કે એનો નેગેટિવ છે, ધેટ્સ વાય ઇટ ઇઝ kept as a negative side, and here positive side. So hope that you understand entirely the representation of this half cell. Okay, so we will find some more example that you can understand better this. Okay, so this you understand now okay, how this entire combining symbol is there. Now equation and symbols, see this very important. Okay, when we doing that electrochemical Daniell cell, at that time I told you the symbol of the Daniell cell is like this. This is the equation of the Daniell cell. Okay, hope that you remember this, and the symbol is like this. Find out both are similar. If you can see properly, then you can see that very simply you can see. Okay, see, this is direct here. Zn is going to convert into Zn plus 2. See, same thing. Okay, here Cu plus 2 is converting into Cu. See here, Cu plus 2 is Cu. Same thing, both are same. The equation and symbol both are same. So, if you have knowledge of equation, you can write symbol. If you have knowledge of symbol, you can write equation. For example, we will try to make the symbol for this. So for the symbol for this is Mn by Mn plus 2. Okay, so we will write here symbol of this in manner. ચલો તો જોઈએ આપણે કે એનો સિમ્બોલ કેવી રીતે લખીએ. Okay, so we will write its symbol in this pattern. Come on. Okay, what was that? Have you remember this? Mn was there, so Mn that is converting into Mn plus 2. Okay, in between we will put 2 parallel lines. Okay, we will put 2 parallel lines. Okay, and another one was Sn, so this Sn plus 2 is going to convert into Sn, and this is the symbol of that cell. So that is very simple. Hope that you understand this. Okay, come back. Let's go early. Okay, so that is the Mn. See here, Mn is going to convert into Mn plus 2, Sn plus 2 into Sn. Okay, so hope that you understand this point, and now there is some important evolution for you, and this by putting stop on it you can do this. Hope that you enjoy this.